Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export analytics from Buffer in 2026. If you want to download your social media performance reports for analysis, client reporting, or record keeping, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Analytics tab from the left side menu. Here you'll find performance data for all of your connected social media accounts. Next, choose the social media account you want to analyze. If you manage multiple channels, make sure you've selected the correct one before moving to the next step. Now select the date range for your report. You can choose the last 7 days, the last month, or set a custom date range depending on the data you need. Take a moment to review the analytics on your screen. Check important metrics like impressions, engagement, clicks, reach, follower growth, and your best performing posts. This helps you confirm the report contains the information you want to export. Next, click the Export or Download Report button available in the Analytics section. If Buffer offers multiple file formats, choose the one that best fits your needs. Now wait a few seconds while Buffer generates the report. Once it's ready, the file will download automatically to your device. Open the downloaded report and review the information to make sure everything has been exported correctly. You can now share it with your team, send it to clients, or use it to compare performance over different time periods. Finally, export your analytics regularly so you can track growth, identify successful content, and improve your future social media strategy with real performance data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export analytics from Buffer step by step. You can now save and analyze your social media reports whenever you need them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.